Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the maths class. Today in this class, let us start the new chapter, that is linear equation in one variable. First, let us understand what is the meaning of equation. Here some examples I wrote. See, in the last class, you learnt about the algebraic expression. So, algebraic expression means what? Here, 2x plus 3 is an algebraic expression. So this all what I wrote now, this all called as the algebraic expression. In the last class only you learnt, that is 2x plus 3, 2y square minus 5, 12x plus 4x square, then minus 5z plus 5, 4y square minus 9. This is all called as the algebraic expression. For this algebraic expression, if I write equality sign, that is equal to 0, for example equal to 0, equal to 3, equal to 1, equal to 0 or equal to 2. For all these algebraic expression, if I write the equality sign, this equality sign is called as the equation. Understood, children? So for all this algebraic expression, if I write the equality sign, this equality sign is called as the equation. Now let us know about the linear equation. Linear equation means an equation in this algebraic expression, an equation having only one variable whose degree is 1 is called as a linear equation. That is, for example, now 2x plus 3 equal to 0. In this equation, which is having only one variable whose degree is 1, whose degree means whose power is 1, is called as a linear equation in one variable. Now see in second example, 2y square minus 5 equals to 3. Here only one variable only, but here what it has, the variable has the power as 2. That means degree as 2. So it is not called as a linear equation. Second one, now 12x plus 4x square equals to 1. Here also we can see variables. For this variable x, the power, that means the degree is 2. So it is not called the linear equation. Now go for the fourth example, that is minus 5z plus 15 equals to 0. Here having this equation is having only one variable whose degree is 1. So it is called as a linear equation. Now here also whose degree, only one variable whose degree is 2. So it is not called the linear equation. So linear equation, so which are the linear equation in this example means, that is 2x plus 3 equals to 0 is a linear equation having only one variable whose degree is 1. Next which means minus 5z plus 15 equals to 0 is a linear equation having only one variable whose power is 1. So these two, in all this example, these two are the linear equation in one variable. So this is about the linear equation. Now let us write the definition of the linear equation. Next, definition of linear equation. Linear equation means linear equation in one variable is an equation in which the highest degree variable is 1. That means linear equation in one variable means, by seeing the example only you can understand, it is an equation having only one degree, having only one variable whose degree is 1. In this example, 2x plus 3 equals to 0, having only one equation, having only one variable whose degree is 1. So 2x plus 3 equals to 0 is called as a linear equation. Here also minus 5z plus 15 equals to 5. This equation is having only one variable whose degree is 1. So it is called as a linear equation in one variable. Understood? So linear equation means what? Linear equation in one variable is an equation in which the highest degree means power, highest degree variable is 1. Example, that is 2x plus 3 equals 0. minus 5z plus 15 equals to 5. The standard form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equals to 0. The standard form is ax plus b equals to 0. Here a and b are called as the rationals. A and b are called as the rationals and a is not equal to 0. So now let us solve the example based on this. Let us solve the example based on linear equation in one variable. Example 1 is here, 2x plus 3 equals to 5. Let us find the solution for this equation. That is, write 2x as it is equals to 5. Now let us bring this plus 5 which is in the left side, let us bring to the right side. When it comes to the right side, that is when it transposes to the right side, the sign changes as minus 3. That is 5 minus 3. That is 2x equals to 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Now next, x equals to 2. Now the coefficient of x is 2. When we transpose to the left side, when we transpose to the right side, it comes to the denominator. Now let us divide, that is 2 ones are 2 ones are. Therefore now the value of x equals to 1. In this way we have to find the solution. Next, second example, write minus 5z as it is equals to 5. Let us transpose this plus 15 to the right side which is in the left side. Now when we are transposing to the right side, the sign changes as minus 15. Now next, minus 5z equals to, now 5 minus 15 is minus 10. Okay, minus 15 plus 5 equals to minus 10. When we add these two numbers, minus 15 plus 5, the difference is minus 10. So next, this minus minus get cancels. So we left over with only 5z equals to 10. Next, z equals to 10. This 5, no, it comes to the denominator, that is when it comes to the right side, it comes to the denominator. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. So therefore the value of z equals to 2. In this way we have to find the solution for linear equation in one variable. Next, let us solve the worksheet 1. Let us solve the worksheet 1. Solve the equation and check your answer. The question is 5x minus 2 equals to 18. So write 5x equals to 18. Let us bring this minus 2 to the right side. When it comes to the right side, or when we transpose to the right side, the sign will change as plus 2. When we transpose from left to the right, the sign changes as plus 2. Next, 5x equals to 18 plus 2 is 20. Next, x equals to 20. Now the coefficient of x is 5. When it comes to the right side, or when we transpose to the right side, it comes to the denominator, that is 5. Divide by 5, that is 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. Therefore now x equals to 4. The value of x equals to 4. Now we have solved the equation. In the question they ask, check your answer. How to check the answer? Let us check the answer, what we found out is correct or not. Let us verify it. So let us take LHS. LHS equals to, this side is called as a LHS, that is 5x minus 2, which is in the left side. So LHS equals to 5x minus 2. Next, write 5 into the value of x is what we found out now, that we had to take the value of x equals to 4 minus 2. 5 fours are 20. Into means, bracket means we have to multiply, that is 5 fours are 20 minus 2 equals to 18. Therefore LHS what we got is 18. Next, let us verify the RHS. Already it is given, that is RHS equals to 18. Now what we confirmed, that therefore LHS equals to RHS. So what we found out the value, no, that is, hence we have to write here, hence x equals to 4 is a solution for the equation. Hence x equals to 4 is the solution, is a solution for the equation. Understood? In this way we have to check the answer. So now let us solve the second one. Second one, 1 by 4y plus 1 by 2 equals to 5. Let us solve this. 1 by 4y equals to 5. Let us bring this plus 1 by 2. When it comes to the right side, it becomes minus 1 by 2. When we transpose from left side to the right side, it becomes minus 1 by 2. Next, write 1 by 4y equals to, now we have to take the LCM. No denominator means take it as 1. So what we'll get here, LCM is 2. Let us solve here. That is 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Here the LCM is 2. That is 5 by 1 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Next, 1 by 2 into 2. 2 get cancelled, equals to 1. Now 5 by 1 answer what we got here, 10. Write here 10. Minus 1 by 2 what we got here, answer is 1. So write here 1. Therefore 1 by 4 y equals to 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 by 2. Next, y equals to 9 by 2. The coefficient of y is 1 by 4. When it comes to the right side, it comes to the denominator, that is 1 by 4. Y equals to 9 by 2 into the reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. Next, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Next, y equals to 9 2s are 18. So y value, what is the value of y is, y equals to 18. Next, we have to check the answer, what we found out is correct or not. Let us check it. So we have to take the left hand side. Left hand side is what here, LHS equals to 1 by 4 y plus 1 by 2. RHS is given, already found out that, equals to 5. Now write 1 by 4, value of y is how much here, 18. Write here 18 plus 1 by 2. Next, now it divisible by 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 9s are. That is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Next, here the denominators are same. No need of taking the LCM. Directly write 2. Then 9 plus 1 is, directly we can add. 9 plus 1 is 10. So the what we got here, 10 by 2. Next, 2 1s are 2 5s are. Therefore the value of LHS equals to 5. And RHS is given. RHS is already given. RHS is 5. Now what we understood here, LHS equals to RHS. Therefore what we got the value now, y equals to 18 is the solution for the given equation.